This is Lakshmi and I'm here as part of Lifestyle and Fitness series by Habitatschools. Posture is very important, right? So we need to have a correct posture to present ourselves well. And also, if our posture is not right, we will have a lot of pain in our body, because a small alignment issue can lead to a lot of problems in the future as well. So today, I'm going to talk about the postural guidelines that we are supposed to follow when we are sitting and standing, and also whenever we are doing a workout. So we will start from our feet. So we have to keep our feet with hip-width distance apart, okay? And our knees has to be soft. So you should not lock your knees when you are standing. It should be soft and nice. And your core should be held tight, and you should imagine that our core is a bucket of water, and there shouldn't be a tilt to the front or there shouldn't be a tilt to the back. Say, this is a bucket of water, and so the water should not fall from the front or neither. It should go from behind. So you have to maintain this bucket of water and keep your core engaged, and your chest up, your shoulders roll back and down. There should be a lot of gap between ear and shoulder, and chin should be straight up. So these are the postural guidelines that you should follow and take care so that you have a very presentable and nice posture. I'm sure all of you will take care of your posture more from now on. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.